Welcome guys. Yes, eating. I got some scratches on my arm. Show you. A lot of scratch too. It's really big. Look. You can see, but look. You can see. Get the light to see. So there's a lot. I got two. Also, it's just like having band-aid because it really hurts. Just strip for no reason. Okay. Yeah. So if y'all not know, I trip playing games with my friend, but it's just like, it hurts, but it doesn't like hurt. Else. I can hold something like I could hold my fan like that, but it just hurts. Also, by the way, I'm Philippines. Want me to see Philippines? Say Philippines. And there's yet food in Filipino is like pagkaon like that. So I know Filipino. Don't judge that I don't, cause I'm gonna cry. Because if you don't like and subscribe, I'm gonna be under your bed or the plain floor. Just kidding. I got this. I also got this. I don't know what's the other one, but fun. This video is almost gonna end because it's almost gonna end. 5, 6, 7, 8,